Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna do oatmeal face scrub, and the first thing you need to do, take the oatmeal obviously for 1/8 cup, add honey for 1 tablespoon, water for 1 tablespoon, and mix them all using your hand. Now you apply it with a circular motion to your cheek, to your forehead, all over your face. So oatmeal has rich antioxidant properties. Oats helps reduce itching and inflammation. Oatmeal also can help when you get sunburn, dryness, because it moisturizes our skin. When you see me scrubbing my face, like it's so hard, but actually not, because my face is, like puffy. That's why I'm like so harsh to my face, but actually no, I'm not. Just let it be there for 10 minutes and let it dry on your face, and then you can wash it with normal water. But I like to use cold water because these days it's so hot and cold water is so nice. Scrub the rest of the oatmeal on your face. Today I'm using this Patanjali Rose face wash. It's from India. Apply the moisturizer. I'm using Cetaphil. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.